For decades, whistleblowers have risked it all to share what they claim to know about Mj-12. But are their stories fact or fiction? One of the most famous whistleblowers in modern history is Bob Lazar, a man whose revelations have sparked endless debates and controversies. In 1989, Lazar came forward with astonishing claims that he had been employed to work on reverse engineering alien technology at a highly secretive site near the infamous Area 51. This site, according to Lazar, was known as S4, a hidden facility where extraordinary and otherworldly projects were conducted. According to Lazar, these projects were not just any top-secret government operations. They were overseen by shadowy groups tied to the mysterious Mj-12, a supposed secret committee of scientists, military leaders, and government officials. Lazar's accounts included descriptions of 9 flying saucers of extraterrestrial origin, and he detailed the advanced propulsion systems that defied conventional physics. His interview opened a Pandora's box of speculation, leading many to question what the government might be hiding. Lazar's testimony included detailed accounts of advanced propulsion systems, technology he claimed couldn't have been created on Earth. Could Mj-12 have been behind these efforts? Lazar isn't alone. Throughout history, there have been numerous individuals who have come forward with astonishing claims about extraterrestrial encounters and secret government programs. Astronaut Edgar Mitchell, a veteran of Apollo 14, hinted at secret programs connected to UFOs. Mitchell, who walked on the moon, often spoke about his belief in extraterrestrial life and the need for transparency from world governments regarding UFO phenomena. Meanwhile, Colonel Philip Corso, a former Pentagon official, wrote extensively about alien technology influencing modern advancements. In his book, The Day After Roswell, Corso detailed how recovered alien artifacts were allegedly used to accelerate human technological progress from fiber optics to integrated circuits. These whistleblowers describe a world of classified operations, advanced materials, and constant secrecy. Could they all be pointing to the existence of Mj-12? The truth may be out there, but it's whistleblowers who bring us closer. These brave individuals risk everything to shine a light on hidden realities, often facing immense personal and professional consequences. Their courage and determination help uncover the secrets that powerful entities would rather keep buried. By stepping forward, they not only seek justice, but also inspire others to stand up for what is right. Join us at Emgotv1, where we delve into the compelling stories of those who dared to speak out, revealing truths that shape our world. Subscribe now to stay informed and be inspired by the voices that refuse to be silenced.